Top 3 shortcut keys for Windows 10. Number 1 is Windows key plus V, and this will open your clipboard. So if I copy paste anything from anywhere, let's say if I press Windows key plus R, this will open your run button, the run command. And if I write something over here and select this particular text and press Ctrl C from the keyboard to copy, and if I press Windows key plus V, and you can see that in my clipboard I have this particular text copied over here, and I can paste it anywhere if I want. Let's say in MS Word, I can paste it over there as well, just like pressing again Windows key plus V and doing it like this. So this is another shortcut key. So the next shortcut key is to transfer between your windows, that is Alt Tab. It's like this, you can see here, Alt plus Tab. So this will change the tabs. Okay, so this was another shortcut key. And yeah, next one, let's see. So our next shortcut key, number 3, will be Windows key plus period, and this will open emojis for you. So if you are typing anything, let's say in MS Word I'm typing something, so Windows key plus period, that is the dot, and you can insert any emojis over here. But this won't be coming like this, so it's more useful when you are using WhatsApp and things like those. So yeah, these were the top 3 Windows shortcut keys for you. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you all again next time. Till then, subscribe to the channel and watch the videos till the end. Goodbye.